Hi guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to message someone on TikTok. So let's get started. First of all, open your TikTok app. And after that, tap on the account in which you want to send a message. And after that, tap on the share icon that is above their specific account. Then you will see a few options here. At the bottom, you will see an option to send message. All you want to do is go and simply tap on it. After that, you will see the interface like this. From here, you can send a message to someone. So I'm just going to send these thumbs from here, for example. So now you can see the message has been sent. This is how you can send a message to someone on TikTok. If you find this video useful, please show your support with a like. Your feedback is invaluable to us, so feel free to share your thoughts and suggestions in the comments section below. We are eager to hear from you.